Today we're gonna make my favorite olive snack. I call it a yummy olive snack because it is yummy and delicious and so easy to make. These are Queen Gordal olives, referring to the size. These are large olives, and these are for snacking, not for oil. These happen to be better for snacking than for oil. They're called Gordal, which means fat, and they're made by a family in Spain that prides itself on these olives and the fact that they use so little salt in the brine. These are crisp, refreshing, also sweet and meaty, believe it or not. Somehow they manage to do it all. You could eat it just like this, but let's add a few things to make it more interesting. These are available, by the way, on chefsmusthave.com. They happen to be my favorite olives, and I won't tell you I love it if I don't love it, because I know you're gonna check me on it. I know you're gonna get them yourself, or you're gonna say Rocco's full of you know what, but not here, because these are delicious. We're gonna add a few different kinds of olives. These are the ones that have pimento in them. We're gonna add some herbs. Some chefs would say separate all the herbs and aromats. In this case, I don't think you have to. We've also got a little spice here, which is always nice. I've got mustard seed. I got juniper seed. We've got orange and lemon peel, and I'm just gonna take a peeler and peel it right into the bowl. And what's great about this is you make a big batch, lasts forever. Keep it in the fridge, serve it at parties, put away what people don't eat, and you're good to go for the next party. We're gonna also add cornichon, cucumber that's been pickled. Also delicious, a nice counterpoint because these are acidic. We're gonna add a little bit of that too. We're gonna use some sherry vinegar. If you don't know, sherry vinegar is aged in fine wood barrels in a Solera system. We're gonna add olive oil. You can serve this with bread and people can mop the juice up with the bread. This just gets better and better and better. Let's add some peppercorns as well. And this is one of those dishes that you can really make your own. You can add anything you want to it. Garlic clove is a nice thing to add. You can add shallots, you can add pearl onions, you can add sliced onions. You could serve this with chunks of feta cheese. There's just no end to it. Split this in half so that the garlic flavor is equally distributed. This is basically done now, and the yummy olive snack makes everybody happy. I mean, there's no one on the planet who doesn't love marinated olives. This is another recipe that begs for a cocktail. This, you know, if you want to have a great cocktail party, you want to have food that makes people think of drinking, and this is one of those dishes. All right, now, so what I like to do is take festive frilly toothpicks so that people can pick them up easily and eat them. Another great thing about this snack is it's as healthy as food comes. There's no processed food, there's no sugar, and it kind of feels healthy and indulgent at the same time, which is a really unusual thing. Please do try my yummy olive snack. Put it on every single table this holiday season. I think it's delicious. I'm sure your friends will as well. Oh, so good. Make sure you have some good bread and a stock bar. Cook like a chef, eat like a king. Visit chefsmusthave.com and turn your meals into masterpieces.